Hi, time for Medicina Taista. We continue to review the subject, the circular movement of the five elements in the body during the seasons. In this episode, we talk about summer. According to Chinese medicine, a summer is the season when Yang Qi reaches the highest potential in nature. Yang Qi is the masculine energy. It's the best time period to practice Masibusha, which is what I'm holding in my hands, to detox and charge the body. It's also the best time period to treat a chronic disease. Chinese medicine claims that Masa carries the extreme Yang Qi, and it is used with fire, which is also the element of Yang, masculine. And the smoke of Mosa is believed that it can reach deep inside the body where the acupuncture needles cannot access to. As summer is associated with element of fire and has the highest yang qi, it is the best time period for this practice to maximize the beneficial results. In Chinese, we say 借天时, meaning to make the most use of energy at this right moment. Summer is related to the following: South, fire, red, heart, tongue, which is the portal, sense portal of heart. Happiness is the emotion that expresses by heart, and everything thrives. The mood is thrive in summer. The mood in nature is thrive, and the qi movement is described as float, meaning it reaches to the highest point, then it floats. According to Chinese medicine, sweat is the liquid of heart, and in summer we sweat the most. Therefore, it's the season when the danger of heart attack is the highest. In the theory of Chinese medicine, the heart is related to the emotion of happiness. So being overly happy, especially in summer, could overload the heart. The Chinese say 物极必反, meaning when things develop to its extreme, they will transform into the opposite direction. So the qi in summer has reached its highest potential, and then it will start descending, reversing directions in autumn. In the next episode, we'll continue on autumn, and we'll talk about an ancient law used during a Tang Dynasty, which relates to the subject. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.